like an inhaled corticosteroid. Do not take Brio more than prescribed. See your doctor if your asthma does not improve or gets worse.
Ask your doctor if 24-hour Brio could be a missing piece for you. See if you're eligible for 12 months free at mybrio.com.
We know you have a morning routine. We have one too. 7 days a week, AMHQ is right here and weather ready.
We want to show you all the cool things that's going on in the weather.
A lot of people traveling, but we'll keep an eye for you.
So start your morning routine with Jim Cantori, Stephanie Abrams, Jan Carfagna, and the rest of AMHQ.
It is a team here at the Weather Channel, and an awesome team at that.
Let's get right to what you want, and that is the weather.
AMHQ, every morning starting at 5 on the Weather Channel.
A high wind watch is in effect.
All aboard! All aboard!
Currently in our area, 43 degrees under partly cloudy skies.
Never take the rest! You can ride for free!
Today, afternoon showers. High 49. Winds west at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of rain 60%.
Golly, look at it go!
Tonight, rain. Low 43. Rainfall near a half an inch.
Been on the Polar Express!
Monday, windy with rain. High 49.
Bang, bang, bang! It's a choo-choo with a stick.
Here's our 7-day outlook.
The best, but you won't ever see it advertised. It's a simple fact. We stay on track, though sometimes we digress. But